Our next set of properties are sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. ठीक है. Second, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, and sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. ठीक है. तो sin inverse goes with cos inverse x, and tan inverse x goes with cot inverse x, and sec inverse x goes with cosec inverse x. These are the three properties which you have to learn it, and all the properties, in all these properties the values of this is pi by 2. ठीक है. तो one property I am going to prove it, that is, if it is given sin inverse, let sin inverse x is equal to theta. We have taken one substitution. After that, now sin inverse x is equal to theta, तो which implies that x is equal to sin theta. ठीक है. This sin inverse goes to this side, तो what happen then, x is equal to sin theta. So now the sin theta can be replaced by x is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Why? Because cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. ठीक. तो this can be written as, again cos goes this side, तो cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, और theta is equal to cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, and theta will be again replaced by what value you have substituted, sin inverse x. Therefore sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Similarly, for tan we can also prove it. For tan inverse x is equal to theta, so again x is equal to tan theta, or you can take x is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, or this cot goes this side, so it will be cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, so which implies that tan inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. ठीक है. Now let us take an example from these properties. Okay, this example is given, if tan inverse x minus cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3, then find the values of x. ठीक है. This example is given in NCERT example. ठीक है. तो देखिए, what we, the given condition is that tan inverse x minus cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. ठीक है. Next, we know from the property that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 from the property. ठीक है. What we are going to do, we have got, this is your first equation, this is your second equation. ठीक है. Now adding first and second. ठीक है. तो first and second, if we add this, तो tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, that is 2 tan inverse x, this cot inverse x and this cot inverse x goes off. Next, pi by 6 plus pi by 2, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट रिजल्ट क्या हो गया, दैट इज tan इनवर्स x इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 3, और x इज इक्वल टू tan पाई बाय 3. तो tan पाई बाय 3 दैट इज tan 60 डिग्री, दैट इज इक्वल टू √3. तो वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू √3. ठीक है. Similarly, second example you can also see it. Again, if sin within bracket cos inverse 5 upon 13 plus sin inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. What we have to do, we have to again find the value of x from this. ठीक है. तो what we are going to do, sin cos inverse 5 by 13 plus sin inverse x is equal to 1, so which implies that this sign goes this side, so it will be given as cos inverse 5 by 13 plus sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1. ठीक है. What we will do, we will apply sin inverse on both the side. तो sin inverse of sin goes off, and this will be become as sin inverse, this will become as sin inverse x. ठीक है. तो sin inverse x, sin inverse 1, that is equal to pi by 2. So that is equal to pi by 2. That means that sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse 5 by 13. तो pi by 2 minus cos inverse 5 by 13 property again we have got that cos sine inverse 5 by 13 plus cos inverse 5 by 13 is equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So from this property, this whole quantity will be replaced by sine inverse 5 by 13. So therefore sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse 5 by 13, so which implies that x is equal to 5 upon 13. Okay. Similarly, next example you can see sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. ठीक, again this sine can be written as sine inverse 1. The value of sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So what you have got, sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, or you can write it down, this cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5. Again pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5 can be written as cos inverse 1 by 5 from this property. Again sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse 1 by 5 is equal to pi by 2. So therefore x is equal to 1 upon 5.